Hi and welcome to GuideFlare, your go-to source for helpful tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to split a single page into double columns with a line in between using Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Open your Microsoft Word document. Go to the Layout tab in the toolbar. Click on Columns. Select More Columns. In the Columns dialog box, choose the Two Columns option. Make sure to check the line between checkbox. Now, select Whole Document to apply this formatting to the entire document. Click OK to confirm your settings. Now successfully split your single page into double columns with a line in between using Microsoft Word. It's that easy. For more handy tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to GuideFlare and visit guideflare.com for additional resources and content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.